how-to tutorial on coming into Parsvottanasana. Begin in Samasthiti, bringing your hands together at your heart center. Now, step back with your left foot. Ensure your foot is at a 45-degree angle and that your hips are square. With a bend in your front knee, especially if your hamstrings are tight, bring your hands to your hips, remaining here, or drawing your hands towards the mat, beginning to guide your forehead towards your shin or your nose towards your knee. For an alternate arm variation, interlace your fingers, reach your wrists up, and draw your arms up away from your low back. Breathing here. Use your inhale to guide yourself up, bringing again your hands to your hips and stepping your left foot to meet your right. Returning back to Samasthiti, hands together at your heart center, Anjali Mudra. Now, coming into reverse prayer, bringing your hands towards each other or to touch. Step again back with your left foot. Draw your heart forward, finding length in the spine as you bring your forehead towards your shin or your nose towards your knee. On your next inhale, guide yourself up and step your left foot to meet your right. Returning back to Samasthiti. Namaste.